Hi, I'm Jose and I'm going to be your tour guide on this study trip in Japan. A study trip is a great way of doing 2 to 3 weeks of certified language studies in the morning and tour guided activities in the afternoon. Join me as I guide our group on this week of fun activities in and around Tokyo. Let's go! Our group arrived over the weekend. They had their first Japanese class in the morning and tonight we're heading to an izakaya to celebrate the start of the trip. After class, we're heading to Asakusa for our first activity, Taiko, Japan's traditional drumming. After every activity, students are free to do whatever they like during the evening, from hunting down their favorite gacha to singing the night away at a karaoke booth. After finishing their morning classes, students have their first free day of the trip. This is when they can explore Tokyo at their own pace. Today we're going to a matsuri where we get the chance to wear some yukatas and experience Japan's traditional food and culture. The next day we're learning some calligraphy and everyone's getting a chance to write their favorite kanji and chill down before our big day trip tomorrow. Today we're on a day trip to the iconic seaside towns of Kamakura and Enoshima. We're gonna see the Daibutsu-en as well as beautiful gardens and shrines. Let's go! Tomorrow is Sunday. It's either a day to rest or to keep exploring Japan. And while sadly this is the end of this video, we still have 2 more weeks of fun things planned for this trip. With trips happening all year round, you can always find the right one for you. So if you've always dreamed of seeing the sakuras, going to a matsuri, and learning Japanese, check out the link below. Can't wait to see you all in Japan. Mata ne!